So doing a cold start on my, oh, there's a spider in here. Let's give him a new home. My 2000 CLK320. Uh-oh, I was just gonna say it has sat for a couple weeks, and now we seem to be having a battery issue. That was kind of weird. It all lit up and then just completely went dead. It's been sitting, I don't know, 3 weeks, and I was gonna do a cold start on it, but got nothing. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen and retighten that and that. But listen. You can hear sparks and stuff, so I think the problem is right there. All right, so now with that retightened, I'm gonna try again. And that did it. Of course, now I've got some error messages. I just replaced the brake light switch. So I wonder if that's an issue just from the battery. I may have to go in there and clear some codes. I'm gonna let that run for a minute and then shut it off and start it again and see if that error goes away. Let's go ahead and try it again. Yeah, they're still staying on. So I will have to continue the troubleshooting, but first I'm going to drive to charge up the battery a bit and then see if that clears things up. So I'm going to try something that I remember from before. I'm going to turn this all the way to one side, all the way to the other, and that cleared the error. So apparently it lost its calibration for the ABS and ESP. And normally I would have thought it would have been the brake light switch, but since I had just replaced that, I figured it was just simple lost calibration. So I'm gonna take it out for a drive and see how it does. I think it'll be fine.